Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Crayon at the Heart, and I thought I'd pop on and share with you guys my Peachy Cheap grab bag. Now, I've heard mixed reviews about these grab bags. This was a special 10th anniversary grab bag, or to celebrate their 10th anniversary, and I think I was probably one of the first people who bought from Peachy Cheap. But I'm going to say that while I have heard mixed reviews, this review is no exception. So it was $14.99 and you're supposed to get $60 worth of stuff. And I don't know that I would consider this to be $60 worth of stuff, in my opinion. I really don't, especially considering that Peachy Cheap is sort of a discount site. This really, I think, full price, I don't even know if it would add up to $60. Maybe it would, but it'd be maybe close. It was $14.99 plus shipping, so you figure it costs about $21-ish. And I'm with it. Okay, there's one thing in here I'm really excited about that I really love. Everything else I'm kind of like, not bad. And then most of it I'm like, So I'll start with the thing I'm really excited about. Might as well start with the best. I'm excited about this. This is super cute. This is the Popsicles and Pandas 6x8 paper pad by Bella Boulevard. It's got these adorable pandas. It's got popsicles and flamingos. It's super cute. I love this. This is something that I probably would have bought with them as a little kit, like they do for $10.99 or $9.99 or $8.99 or whatever they do. So I love that. I think that's fabulous. The Spellcast. I think I had these. But these are always fabulous. Die cuts like these are top quality stuff. So I'm very pleased with that. Dang dog is going to drive me out of my freaking mind. These wood veneers, I can see myself using these on, rosettes or other things. I don't think these are bad. This is Happy, Imagine, Dream, and Create. You can paint these or color them with your Copics or just leave them with the wood, and they would be very nice on the package. I can definitely see myself using that. Now these, I guess they aren't the same because I picked up these from Tuesday Morning for $2.49 and normally $7.99. So I guess if you took the full price, maybe it would. I love that. These are really cute. These are faux pins, and these are actual pins. So these probably cost less, because if these are regular pins, then I might have given those away to a friend I know who has cats, but whatever. So those I can see myself using. These are, they're sticky notes, and they're fine. They're a name brand. They're my Prima Planner. I don't hate them. I don't, but they're okay. They're okay. The cheek tags, I feel like I have these, but these are nice. These are, there's a pumpkin one, so there's some fall ones. They call them Autumn Days. There's 6 of them in here. This could be very useful for holiday projects. So I can definitely see myself using that. This right here, I don't know, there's a lot of clips in here. So these are like they're kind of plasticky clips. They're really cute. I don't know that I would use all of these. There's a whole bunch of them. They're cute. I'm not sure what is all in here. They are a bunch of stickers. So each one looks like it's a different color palette with different stickers. There's a Halloween one, so that's kind of cool. And Thanksgiving. So, some of these so these are kind of like, I guess, seasonal stickers. So, yeah, I can see myself using these. These look like they were made, though, like not purchased from, Prima or anything like that. They look like they were handmade type stickers just because of how they're printed and everything. These look like they were handmade to me. So I don't know. This is a stamp and stencil. I'll be honest, I don't love it. I've seen this at Tuesday Morning and I have turned my nose at it. So it'll probably either go in a giveaway or in a destash because I don't love that. And then this is a photo flip book. So this might be able to be altered, or I might just do this in a giveaway and let someone else alter it because maybe I don't feel like altering that. These are some cardstock stickers, which I might also destash these or do these in a giveaway as well. It's not that I hate these, but I have so many stickers that I don't even know what to do with the stickers that I have. And these are in a nice little like thing to give away because I'm working on my, I mean, look at, these are 3 sets of stickers and I haven't touched them. This one, this one, this one, I haven't touched them. So, you know, I have more than I need of stickers, packs of stickers, and I give them away because I don't know what to do with them. And then here are some, this is Jenny Bolin. Oh my God, how old is this? Because I haven't seen anything Jenny Bolin in I don't know, long time. And these are some sort of old-fashioned stickers, you know, whatever on that. And then this is my Prima Planner 9 sheets. So this is expensive stuff, you know, Prima, you know, I've passed by on buying this stuff on Peachy Cheap because it is expensive. And I mean, I guess I'll use it in my planner, or I guess I could, I don't know. It may work with some other things I've got. I don't know. So anyway, I'm going to recap what I got. I paid about $21 for shipping, and this is supposed to be $14.99 with $60 worth of stuff. So to me, you know, $14.99 is what I paid, and $60 is what was supposed to be in here. I don't think I forgot the washi. I did get 3 things of washi. I'll show you that at the end. I don't think I got $60 worth of stuff. At least I don't think so. So let me know what you think. If you think it's $60 worth of stuff, I would love to hear your opinion. But I have heard that people have mixed feelings about Peachy Cheap's grab bags because it doesn't tend to be the stuff that you see them actually selling on their site. It tends to be all this leftover stuff. And really the only thing in here that I would say that I have for sure seen is maybe the Illustrated Faith and the Prima Planner. And probably they get a lot of Bella Boulevard. But for the most part, I mean, and Pink Paisley, but a lot of this other filler stuff, I rarely see it. So I got this. I got this Heidi Swap flip book thing, which I feel like I can make that. I got this stamp and stencil. I got this Spellcast Pink Paisley. I got my Prima Planner sticky notes. I got the 6x8 paper pad, the Heidi Swap wood veneers, the Chic tags, these clips, these handmade stickers, these letters, alphabets, this random sticker, and then these 3 washi, which unless a washi is super spectacular, I'm not like impressed. Like unless it's, you know, really cool washi, I feel like washi should be free because I feel like I have so much of it and I can get it for nothing, I feel like. This I really love. This is not that great, and this is really not that great. This is the washi that I use to keep my dies down when I run it through my Cuddle Bug. I'll be honest. That's what I use. I've got one right here that looks just like it. And it's popsicles. I think it's even cuter. And I use that because it's so fat. There's so much of it. I use that to stick my dies down. So anyway, I would love to know what you guys think. But it's good to see what is in grab bags. So in some future dates, you get like, you see a grab bag on Instagram or somewhere else. I always Google them I always go to YouTube and see if there's a video because I want to see what people have gotten in their grab bags or warehouse boxes or whatever to see if it's something that I myself personally might really like. And because sometimes it's junk and, even though it's a grab bag and you're supposed to get a lot of good, stuff for your money, if it's not stuff you're going to use, it's not new stuff, and it's not quality stuff, then it's just stuff that you already have plenty of stuff that you're going to get rid of anyways. So anyway, thank you for watching. Love to hear what you think about this. If you've got another Peachy cheap grab bag and you've got different things, I would love to hear that as well, especially if you got better things than I did. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.